There's our house, neighbor's house. So, I mean, that lake is way back. So here's our chairs that were way up the hill. So from our chairs, this is where the water is. Can't even see our bench. Oh, here, look, there's the Noah's Landing sign. You see it right there? So that was what? 15, 20 feet above where the water normally is? Because down to the left of that is where the bridge is. And then our bench was like at least 8 feet above the water, and we can't even see it. And then to the right, this is crazy. This is the most ridiculous thing ever. Where did all this water come from? I could understand if it was like a hurricane, but this was just normal rain. I'm gonna start a new video.